Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is B. Today we are going to be opening my Ipsy Glam bag. So excited. I do get all 3 tiers of Ipsy Glam bag. This standard original bag is 5 samples, and deluxe samples $12 a month. Then you have your Ipsy Plus glam bag, and it is $25 a month for 5 full-size products. Then you also have your Ipsy Ultimate, and it is $50 a month, and you get 8 full-size products and 4 deluxe size samples. Right, so let's just go ahead and get into this. I have opened it, and I do have videos coming up soon for both of the other 2 as well that you keep an eye out. And then get ready with me with all 3 combined. Keep an eye out for that as well. So, got a couple of things on the outside this month. And then this month's theme is Clean Slate, which is a really good theme for January, with everybody always doing, like, you know, the New Year resolutions and clean slate for, you know, health and different things. Just everybody does all kinds of stuff. You know, so let's go ahead and get in here and see what we go on. The very first thing on the outside is this Luxie fan brush. I did use it today to apply some highlight. Works very well. Let's see. It says on the card, this Luxie Beauty 560 Medium Fan Flawless Brush. If you wear powder highlighter, then you 100% need this brush in your life. The unique fanned out shape is perfect for dusting shimmer on the high points of your face with minimal fallout. And because it's totally vegan and cruelty free, you won't have any guilt making it a regular in your makeup routine. Tip: this brush is the perfect size for dusting highlighter onto your collarbones and great for party looks. You know, didn't even think about putting it down here, but I bet that is a really good idea. So I really enjoy this. I love brushes anyway, so thank you, Ipsy. Then the other thing, which I did use already today as well before I started this look that I have on, is I used this Bubble Up, Hand Who, I used this Hand Who Bubble Up Peeling Pad with collagen. So it has 2 sides. One is the soft side, one's the exfoliating side. I think this worked really well. It did help clean off, you know, some residue that I may have had on my face from the night before and things like that. Let's read what it says about it. It says, this double-sided foam pad from Hand Who is one of the most unique products we've tried. It cleanses, exfoliates, and evens out your skin tone in one easy step. Plus, it's infused with healthy ingredients like witch hazel to shrink your pores and enzyme powder to gently dissolve dead skin cells. Like I said, I think it worked very well. Tip: to cleanse, massage embossed side onto the skin in circular motions. To exfoliate, use the mesh side. It says it full size is $4. I liked it. It was very good. It really did work very well. Alright, so then let's go ahead and get into the actual bag. This bag is absolutely gorgeous. I like it, and the cute little pretty pink, and it has Ipsy right there on the little coin like looking zipper. Love it. And I love everything. I love it all. Okay, this I'm actually going to be putting in my 100 subscriber giveaway. If we get there, we do. If we don't, we don't. I don't really care. I'm having a lot of fun with this because I enjoy makeup, so it kind of helps me relax and just kind of go with the flow. This says JJ Young Pore Glow Mask. When it's too snowy out to head to the spa, this at-home menthol-infused clay mask instantly smooths redness, brightens skin, and tightens pores. The potent combo of detoxificating kaolin, brightening niacinamide, and oxidant-rich fruit extracts keep your skin balanced, clear, and healthy. Tip: keep it in your fridge so it'll feel cool, refreshing, and help calm puffiness. Very nice. This is a deluxe sample, and it's very nice. I think it's a pretty good looking size sample. So, moving on to the next thing inside of here. This next thing is a really pretty lipstick, and I have a full size from this brand that we've gotten before, and I absolutely do adore it. But I'm also going to be putting this in the giveaway. This is Finding Ferdinand's lipstick in Very Berry. See if you can see that very good. It's absolutely gorgeous color. This is an Ipsy HQ must-have. This beautiful berry lipstick is a go-to for cozy evenings, nights on the town, or any festival in between. Plus, it keeps your lips nourished, hydrated, and smooth in chilly temps thanks to castor seed oil and jojoba esters. Tip: twist the bottom of the bullet to swipe onto bare lips. Repeat for full coverage effect. I like it. I really do love this brand. Like I said, I have another full size from them. So, somebody's going to be getting that in the giveaway. Then I also see that we got, this was my choice item, actually. And I've tried it. I have it on today. I think that my eye makeup looks absolutely gorgeous. And this is a Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer in 2.25. That is the shade that I was sent, and I believe that it is a perfect match for my skin tone, and it worked absolutely amazingly. Let's show you here. It does have a little bit of a yellow undertone-ish, but it's a neutral, I believe, because that's normally what I always have on my quizzes, my beauty quizzes. So, let's see. Blends in really pretty, but right on out, it works really, really, really well. And I like it a whole lot. It stays really long. I've tried it on a couple of times since I got the boxes, and I really do adore this. And I probably will be repurchasing it. Let's read what it says on here about it, though. It says, dark circles, redness, breakouts, whatever your skin concern, this concealer covers it with ease. The long-wearing formula is totally water resistant, transfer resistant, and sweat proof for up to 16 hours. I believe it. I've been seeing it for myself. It proves itself. You just have to check it out. Plus, it's free from harmful ingredients like parabens and skin irritants like synthetic fragrance. Tip: use this with a concealer brush to clean up lipstick or brow edges after applying your products. And if you watch the Get Ready With Me, where I actually did use a brush to contour it out like up in her and stuff with it on there. So, and this is a full size, and it's $9. And you got a full size, and this is normally a sample bag, but we did get a full size product in here. So let's go ahead and just recollect everything that we got. So we got the Finding Ferdinand mini lipstick, but that's, I mean, a good size amount of lipstick. You'll get quite a bit of use out of that, along with our JJ Young Pore Glow Mask, which I think is a pretty good addition to a little sample bag. And then we got, of course, our Luxie Beauty fan brush. Absolutely love it. The 560 medium fan flawless brush. Then we got our Hanwoo Bubble Up peeling pad with collagen. I love these. I really do. You only get 5, and if it works as well as I think it's going to, I may be having to get some more. I really did like that. It worked really well, and it's like a finger pad. You put it in there, you can get right in there real good. Alright, and last but not least was our Morphe Fluidity Full Coverage Concealer in 2.25. I think that this bag was a steal for $12 this month. Hands down, a steal. I'm happy for this, and yeah, I see it says $9, but this, and then you put in my Luxie fan brush, I can't complain. Well, oh yeah, $18, full size. I mean, thank you. Thank you very much, Ipsy. All right, you guys. Well, tell me down below what you think about this bag. I really liked it. I think I'm going to keep this set of all three since I get all three. I'm going to have these for my wedding in November 14th. I think it'd be really cute. And you'll see what else came with my other boxes that match it. If you stay tuned and go check those out. Y'all have a wonderful afternoon. And thank you for coming to check us out.